All right, now if you're looking to connect your Android Auto to your Mazda, what you're going to want to be is in your home screen. Now with your Joy-Con down here, you're going to be in communication. You're going to click on it with the Joy-Con. Now it says no Bluetooth device. You're going to hit connect. Now what it's doing is it's going to find your phone. We found it's the Pixel 9. We're going to click on that. And with your phone, what it's going to do is it's going to come up with pair and connect. Okay, you're going to look at the code. Code matches. We're going to hit pair. You're going to hit allow. Now it says start Android Auto. You're going to hit start. And what it's doing right now is now connecting to your Pixel 9 or your Android Auto. You're going to hit continue. And you are now connected to your Android Auto. Now with Android Auto, you now can make your phone calls. It will read your text messages for you. You also have your directions through your map, which is connected through your phone. And also on top of that, you can listen to your music, whether it be Spotify, Pandora, or any other kind of music you have. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and you can check out our inventory at smellmazda.com.